Today we are going to harvest tule for our Indigenous Youth Kayak Program.
Excited to be here, love getting back into nature.
Just grateful to be able to work together on the land.
And to be contributing to this ancestral knowledge that's being preserved and passed on.
When we come out here, we're doing important work. We're gathering as a group, but we're also going to be gathering together.
I really love working with natural materials, getting my hands out on the earth and working with the materials to reconnect with our traditional ways.
This is something that's really meaningful to me, so I'm really grateful to be in space here with all of you to put something collectively together and to do something beautiful.
When my mom was growing up, there was families living in all these coves we passed. The fastest route, as you came in, it's really important you came in by water because the most efficient route here was on the bay.
Land back! Land back! Protect Felix Cove! Protect Felix Cove! Land back! Land back! Protect Felix Cove! Protect Felix Cove! Land back! Land back! Protect Felix Cove! Protect Felix Cove!
This home behind me with the graffiti was built by my mom's grandpa and Joe Felix and his brother Ben. I want you to think about your ancestors, who you think of, who you ask for courage, who you ask for support, or who you just feel just love when you think of them. And so we're going to ask you to write or draw a picture that represents them. As we're paddling back, just say hello to your ancestors. And, we come here with gratitude. And we leave here with love and abundance, right? When my mom was growing up, there might be people in rowing skiffs. She rowed skiffs and dories across that bay, and you would hear voices. Hey, how you doing? And so today we were the voices. We are part of the movement to bring our voices back to the bay, to Tamaliwa. All of you here are participating in making Tamaliwa our home again.
What we need to do is we need to be really careful in each process and so that we're going to build it in a good way. We need to do that to honor the ancestors. We need to honor them. We need to honor the master boat builders of the past. Part of the reason for this is for us to regain connection to this land. It's us, learning how to live in this environment again and to be in good relationship to the land. It feels good to have the otter here too, to be a part of that.
They're going to sit in the water for a second.
Oh, okay.
This is the traditional Coast Miwok land, and a lot of things have been going on here for thousands of years. And things similar to this, we're bringing back the tule making. It's an old traditional practice, and we're going to be a part of it. We get to be a part of it today.
Okay, there. That's better.
It goes underneath first.
Okay.
And that one?
Do you think it'll stay together?